We need to inspire our younger generation.
I know when we first started, even in assisted living, like I remember going to a lot of the smaller residential ALFs and just kind of being like, I don't know, kind of like just depressed at like, like this is the environment. Like, but you again, it's like you had a very hardworking individual that had their heart in the right place that started 20 years ago, and like they just grew up in a different time period. So but what I noticed is like, we were entering this new time period where, like a lot of the baby boomers were making decisions on behalf of their parents, and they
Yep.
had a higher expectation of like what type of care they wanted for their loved one. And so we had to create an environment that like matched that expectation. And so like I feel like we've done that in kind of like all of our environments, but I do feel like the future is going to heavily rely on that.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.